She was created.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Amy from Roseberry Workshop. Today I'm excited to share with you the process of reupholstering a chair that was kind of sad and outdated. I actually just ended up using a pillowcase and a tablecloth. Believe it or not, for the fabric, you get creative when you have a limited budget. I found the floral tablecloth at Winners, and the pillowcase, I don't even remember where I found it, but it was a really nice color and it worked out perfectly for the chair. I also used the Real Milk Paint Company brand of milk paint, and I used their finishing cream as well, and it turned out really great. I hope you enjoy the video, and if you do, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the video. Let's go!